No mean feat. So, yung no mean feat is a synonym for synonym or idiom for a great accomplishment. So, kung ayaw mong gumamit ng great accomplishment, kung medyo formal ka, phrasal idioms ang gagamitin mo, lalagay mo no mean feat. So, a great accomplishment, yung tama lang na mangyari, hindi ka naman nagyayabang ang ibig sabihin. Kasi yung iba, nakasentro sa sarili. A great accomplishment meaning hindi mo magagawa yan without anyone's help. Kaya so, yun yung magandang natututunan natin. No? Kung para hindi tayo maging redundant, pwede tayong gumamit ng no mean feat para maging ayos. No? I mean, our English vocabulary is extending. No? So, yun yung maganda. So, yun lang po.